the CPU. You waiting when the process in the half, then you remove this group when the process in the half. Yes, so now it's waiting. CPU. So you don't need to the temperature. The process now. And then 400. Air is 80. 60 and 400. Now is a soldering. Soldering. Yes, soldering. So now around the CPU. Stop. Then there are plus. Should remove the CPU not to clean. You don't need to.
Not doing anything.
Yeah, have the team. It's okay because you use not the team, so no great because it is around here, so you must have the team.
Okay. Yes, because
Then
it's
you're
so-
reballing. Don't use the solder tape. Okay, you